recording, right? Okay. Yeah. Anthony, we have Taliban and Somalia inbound. Oh no. We're gonna die. Get the president inside. Bam, 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 bam. Guys, they're coming. We need. What? He's the president. Guys, why did we let the Somalian Taliban invade America? Come on, guys. What's the point?
He was flying the fucking plane.
Switch lieutenant, still here.
Alright, big good assault rifles, sail this way, and then small arms over here. In case they flank around.
Copy that. What do you need the medic?
Just get back over here.
Over here?
Over here.
I got this.
Get a shot.
Can I move this?
Yeah.
Good idea.
I'm recording you. Medic checking in. Andrew, like as we're dragging him, we gotta make it all flashy, just like we're actually shooting. Spectre, is reinforcements coming anytime soon? What? Is reinforcements coming soon?
No, we're on our own. We're black.
America abandoned the president?
OPSC's right now.
This reminds me just like Benghazi. God damn it, Hillary, why do we vote for her?
It's Hillary. She's got a spot. I have one frag, so.
We're gonna die so hard.
We had the chance to end this.
Get ready, get ready! Get the president down! Commander? It's quiet.
Stay alive, man.
10-4. Please don't say that. You're making this worse than it is. Ah! Andrew.
I'm back down. Use my gun.
Anthony, this is why we don't vote for Hillary.
I regret everything.
Ah! I got shot in the dick. Watch out, I'm right here. Please don't fall on me. You see, we can't tag it as the medic's dead, idiot. I saved Andrew at least.
They threw a grenade when it was on the outside.
Anthony, I didn't sign up to fight like this. Not in the dick. I got shot in the dick though.
I didn't think I'd go out this fast.
Dude, same.
How did you get hit?
Me? I got shot in the dick while saving Andrew. Honestly, that guy should have been dead, but I don't know. It's fine. No. No, now we fight. What team are you guys? Stay with the president. I got you. Ah, I got killed again. Ah, not again. I didn't even get that far. Why? Yeah. I didn't even get that. Oh shit. I didn't even get that far. No, we fight for green. We fight for green now. No, secure the hostage. No, that's our job. We gotta secure the hostage. We're friendly. We got revived by green. We got him. Sir, you'll be fine. No! No, the president's dying! No! The president's dead! No, now it's just a team deathmatch. I mean, we're the security team who got revived by green, so we're just here to help. We're just here to help. Our job is the president, not you guys. We're mercs, we fight for the highest bidder. Where's my... Near the president at Delta. Andrew's down, getting him. Keep fighting, come on! Are you serious? Are you serious? Need a pistol? Did he really?
Yeah, he just saved my fucking life.
Thanks, man. Wait, you're red? Oh shit, this is awkward. We fight for green. Oh, we're dead. Oh, not again! Oh, right in the stomach. Why the mercs always get killed first?
We go back to our spawn after we get hit, right?
Yeah. It's only us get to stay dead. Oh, okay. Andrew, we fight for red now. Secure the hostage, copy that. What team? Team? What team? Bang, yeah. We got reviver. Hold on, I gotta get a good angle. God damn it. Get him to red! Get him to red! Where are we supposed to take him? Red, 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 we're clear. Oh, you good? Mr. President, no! He took a shot! Yeah. Wow, you're gonna shoot the president right in front of the mercs working for him? Well, we're mercs. Our job is just to protect him.
Wait, did Anthony get on green?
I think he's on green, dude. I think him and Andrew are on green.
Some dude reached over my number. It's like, oh, I'm
Dude, I'm like out of breath. I just carried him to Delta and back here. Any of the five?
Point, you can. Just take the corner. Don't worry, Randy. We'll make it out. Helo's inbound.
Hila's not inbound. Hillary paid us. It's not gonna come.
You Randy? Oh, Benghazi, why'd you screw us over?
Welcome to Benghazi. We fight the red. We work for you for now.
Everyone's here is red. Don't shoot. Or if you're green, come in. I'll shoot you.
The mercs work for you. Don't worry for now. No, it has to. Anthony, what team are you on?
Get ready, you bastards! I don't know, stop it if you want. Final countdown, guys.
What team are you on?
This one?
Huh? Red? Yeah, we got first the red too. Oh god, I'm tired. That was fun.